Hello everyone, welcome to the biggest week of the year for this class. Your APA research paper is due, and I want to offer some clarifying information. A few of you have reached out. There might be some confusion with the course schedule. Let me give you hopefully some good news. So when you look at our course schedule, you see a couple of different things. You have the date, topics, chapters, and homework or assignments. So if we scroll down to this week's date, so 6/21 is the start date for our week 9 course content module. During that week, your APA paper and research presentation is due. You have to submit it to Blackboard by 6/27. So you have a week. You have a week to get it uploaded. So it's pretty easy. In order to upload it, you go to Course Content, click on Week 9, click right here, and then of course you upload your document, and then of course too, you're going to upload your video at the same time. So upload them both to the same submission. There's a lot of different ways you're going to upload a video. I've put some information in the course content and then of course some check-ins about that. I use Screencast-O-Matic. You can download it to your computer and you can share your screen while you're talking. It's a lot easier to do it this way. That's my opinion. However, you can use PowerPoint and a lot of different things of that nature that are also pretty kind of intuitive. I would say don't spend a ton of time on your presentation. Just review your paper. It doesn't have to be like 30 minutes. It can be 2 to 5 minutes max. So don't feel like you need to stress out about that. However, make sure you're cohesive with what you presented in your paper. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm very pleased with how people are doing so far. The only thing that's due this week is your paper and presentation, so make sure that's ready to go. Make sure you're in APA South 7, and if you need anything, just let me know. Thanks so much.